wase wito binya wito, wase wito binya wito.
Ndani ya Siukile Radio ukiwa na Mr. No Pupa Simba Mwanambo kamba the one and only. But you know, when you feel good, you just feel good. As simple as that, right? You tell your friends, you know, we're gonna talk, we're gonna have some fun, you know, just things like that. So people, tafadhali, kuna askari, sijui ilikuwa ni Eldoret ama ni Kericho, alikuwa na threaten his wife, ex. Please, ukiachwa achika. As simple as that, right? Ukiachwa achika, please. Acha kumfuata, si akona reason ya kuacha. Because kama umeachwa, she has the reason to leave you alone, right? Alafu, parents, 19th, our kids are coming back to our homes, We're gonna talk to these kids because the school unrest me quite too much. Sit down with your daughter, sit down with your son, tell him this is bad and this is good. Because if ulienda shule na ukasoma and you have that kind of money you have, please tell him or her, tafadhali, masomo ni muhimu. That is the most important thing in life. Because kama singekuwa nimesoma, tafadhali, singekuwa hapa na akina Sam, akina Jarvis, akina Vero, na singekuwa na friends kama akina Ngich, akina Veronica, my new catch, So please, let's talk to our people. For those 4 days, they'll be in the house. Because we don't need this. At the end of the day, the parent utasuffer because niwewe utalipa all the damage in school. Are we together?
Chidukizi kameme, Hariani FM, wase wito binya wito, wase wito binya wito.